The human body is a very complex structure, but in most of our paintings, it doesn't have to be that complicated. This is bringing a human body, the purpose of simplification and functionalization. So today, I'm going to talk to you. How can the human body be simplified? First, let's draw a relative, realistic proportional human body. Let me give you a reference. On this human body, we can clearly see the trapezius muscle, deltoid biceps brachii, triceps arch, structure of direct muscle groups, and the characteristics of the direct drumbeat of the spinal scapula. What about a human body with this needle ratio? During the exam, generally, there will be some bonus points because it's more difficult, but it is also because it is more difficult. So if you are not skilled, it's easy to even finish the stone roll. This basic requirement is not met. It's not universally appropriate. At this time, this is our turn to simplify growth. By gradually simplifying this beautiful human body, we can find one. I can draw well. You can draw quickly and fit your style. So how do you cut the flowers? It's actually quite simple. Let's first take the structure of a human body, carry it out, and take it apart. And then we take a simpler shape. Just summarize the complex shapes of these circles. For example, we put a human body according to the head, chest and hip, neck and limbs, the division of the hands and feet. Then we ignore these, all the details on the topic. Summarize the head into a sphere. Summarize the chest and hips into a cube. Summarize the neck and limbs into a cylinder. That's a kind of subtraction. Of course, really, the reduction process is certainly not going to happen in one step. In fact, we also need to consider the priority of reduction and the question of how far to generalize. We come one by one. My priority of simplification for those who perform more, the denser parts of the onboard planet. We can't simplify right away, such as the character's face and hands. One of them is a window for the character to express their emotions. One is the core of the interaction between character and appearance. So in what order should we simplify? So, in a nutshell, priority torso, second limbs, finally, the head and hand. You can imagine, after you draw a very complex character torso, I gave him a very ugly hand, feet and head, or what a horrible thing. But if the other way around, your torso is very simple, but the arm maintains a certain level of detail. Special portrayals are complete. Hey, did you feel nothing at once? And then we come to generalizations. In fact, it mainly depends on each student's own situation. Same with an arm. Do you want to summarize it as columns with muscular outline? A child is still a bare water pipe. In fact, these two generalizations, there's no such thing as good or bad. As long as you can refuel yourself, you can. See here, you may have discovered a problem as we simplify. The painting style of our characters also happened. The change of the Lord, that's right. In fact, what we often say about itself is a generalization about the normal way of the human body. When you breastfeed in certain shape proportions, when the degree is summed up in the human body, your body takes on a style. Almond style is also good. Japanese style is also good, like a hotel style. It's all the same. Okay, then this video is almost over. I don't know if you prefer. What kind of generalization does you use to transform the body? You may wish to share it with everyone in the comment area.